Hey everyone, welcome back to BizCheck Lab. If you've ever wondered how you can create those cool animated YouTube videos, you're in the right place. Because in today's video, as I promised you earlier, we will be getting into how you can create those animated videos. Well, stick till the end because I have a bonus there. And without any further ado, let's get started. Well, before we begin, just take a quick look at this video.
And now you've disappeared somewhere. I got a space. You found something.
I'm going to show you exactly what he does so that you don't have to buy his expensive course. First, go to sovereign.ai and then click social media. On the #1 AI tool, click visit website. Now just go to YouTube and copy the link of any viral video. Grab your video's link and paste it into this AI tool. Select the caption style and turn on hook title. Now click get shorts. You'll now have around 10 viral clips you can post to TikTok and YouTube and begin monetizing.
Impressive, right? Well, when this video first came up on my Instagram feed, I found it quite interesting too. But when I looked into the video, I found where the catch was. And the catch is that it is not free. Not free at all. We are gonna do this for free. And here's how. We're gonna need three websites. Three websites in total. First, ChatGPT. Second, InVideo AI. And third and the last, YouTube, of course, because you need to upload that on YouTube. So step one, go to ChatGPT, explain how you need your script of the YouTube video to be, how your characters should be, what the plot should be, and put in as much details as you can, because it's AI, right? And as much as input that you put in, the better the output is. For the second step, go to InVideo AI and sign up for a free account. Now come back to ChatGPT, copy the script out and paste it on InVideo AI. Click on generate the video and specifically choose the free tools available on the website. Now wait for the video to complete and download it out. Now once you download it, you'll notice a watermark on the video. Well, this is because we have used the free tools available there and not the pro mode. Now, I'd suggest you to go with the free tools in the beginning, obviously, because you won't have the capital or the money to put in. Go with those videos, but you have to make them interesting so that the viewers find reasons to come back to your profile, to come back to your channel, right? When the money starts rolling in later, you can invest it in the process and have better videos in the future. But in the beginning, start with this. Finally, when you're done with all this, come to YouTube, take your time, choose an appropriate title, choose appropriate hashtags, and wait for the money to roll in. Just stay consistent and you'll see your channel grow with time. Coming to the bonus part of the video, I have a free tool that allows you to edit on Google any video, any audio. It's called Descript. It's a very useful tool, but you'll have a watermark on your videos. But if you transfer it to some other editing platform and zoom in, you can cut out the watermark. So you've got it there. So that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. This is Ishmugaji signing off.